Okay, I'm going to show you how to make an object move along a path, and we're going to control the object using the knob of the OPZ, and also going to show you how to aim that object at something else. So firstly, we're going to make a sphere because that's the best test object. We need to give some animation, so in the animation tab, click create, save a little file, call it something like sphere animation. And we're going to set some keys, so let's add the position and set some random positions. So yeah, that's our path. Should be good enough. Now go to the animator tab and turn the speed to 0 because we don't want it to be constantly playing. We want to control when the object moves along the path. We also need a parameter which will control the normalized time. I'm going to call it param. It's a float type. So tick parameter next to normalized time. Stick your value in there. Next we need a KLAK patch. So we'll create one of those. Let's make the MIDI knob input and set the knob number to the one that you want to use. And we want to control the value from 0 to 127. We need to get that to go between 0 and 1 for the parameter to work. And we're going to feed that into vector components and just take the X value. We're feeding that into param. So here we're just specifying the animator, which is on sphere, and the parameter name, which is param. So now, if we just hit play and move the knob 1 around, we'll see it, a little sphere moving up and down. Pretty cool. Right, now let's make the sphere a bit taller, so when we point it at something we can tell which way it's facing. I'm going to use a cube for that because cubes are great. Just going to give the cube a little wiggle with a Brownian motion node. Now on the sphere, let's add an aim constraint. Tick is active. And add the cube to the sources at the bottom. That is it. Now as the cube wiggles around, the sphere points towards it, and as we move our knob, the sphere will travel along the path and still point at the cube.